Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter first number and number system. Okay student, look at this. First is concepts in module. First introduction, second comparing numbers, then estimation, then brackets, then Roman numbers and last summary. Okay. Now first is introduction. Show the diagram. Look at this. Numbers helps us to count concrete objects. And second point, we can find the greatest and the smallest numbers. Okay, student. Now, natural numbers have two main purposes. First is natural numbers can be used for counting. For example, there are 4 ice cream cones. Look at this, show the diagram. Second point, natural numbers can be used for ordering. For example, India is the 7th largest country. Okay. Now, first is comparing numbers. Symbols used for comparing. Look at this. This is greater than and this is less than. Okay, this is equal sign, this is not equal sign, greater than, more than, greater than, this sign is greater than, less than, smaller than, this is smaller sign, equal to is equal to equal, not equal to, this is sign not equal. Okay. Now next topic, comparing numbers. Look at this. Look at this. Show the picture. Look at this, show the picture, $125 and $80. Show the picture. Okay. Now test your knowledge. Which number is smallest and which is greatest? Number is 119, 100, 3452. 45,233 and 23. A is 23 is smallest and 3,452 is greatest. B option 100 is smallest and 3,452 is greatest. C option 23 is the smallest and 45,233 is greatest. D option 100 is the smallest and 45,233 is greatest. Now click to know the correct answer. Answer C is correct. 23 is the smallest number and 45,233 is the greatest number. Okay student, look at this. Now solution. Numbers can be compared by comparing the number of digits in it. 419, 100, 3,452, 45,233 and 23. Okay. Now smallest number is equal to 23 and greatest number is equal to 45,233. Remember that numbers with less number of digits is lesser than the number with more number of digits. Okay. Now comparing numbers with same number of digits. Let us take three numbers, 4,192, 5,200 and 9,100. Comparing the numbers, same digits. Look at this. If the leftmost digits in the numbers are same, then we compare the next digit and so on. First 4,192, then 4,200, 4,200 2600. Okay, the smallest number is equal to 4192. This is the smallest number, and greatest number 4600. This is its greatest number. Digit at 100 places in 4600, that is 6 is greater than digits at 100th place in 4192 and 4200, that is 1 and 2 respectively. Okay student. Now next is ascending and descending order. Show the picture. Look here. Look here. Show the diagram. Now next is order of numbers. Look at this. Show the some numbers: 453, 440, 332, 120, 678, 245. Arrange the ascending order. First number is 120, then 245, then 332, then 440, then 453, then 678. This is ascending order. Okay student. Ascending order: 120 is less than 245, is less than 332, is less than 440, is less than 440, 53 is less than 678. This is ascending order. And this is descending order. First number is the highest number: 678, 453, 440, 332, 245, 120. 678 is greater than 453. 453 is greater than 440. 440 is greater than 332. 332 is greater than 245. 245 is greater than 120. Okay, this is descending order. Now, example. Arrange the given number in descending order. Look at this. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. First number is the highest number. Look at this. 345. Greatest to smallest. Greatest number 345. Then 247. Then 222. Then 160. Then 158. Then 122. Greatest to smallest. 345 is greater than 247. 247 is greater than 222. 222 is greater than 160. 160 is greater than 158. 158 is greater than 123. Okay student. Now test your knowledge. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Look at this. 25,751, then 9,801, then 38,802, then 36,501. Arrange the given number in ascending order. Option is A, B, C and D. Now click to now the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer is 9,801 is less than 25,751 is less than 36,501 is less than 38,802. This is the highest number and this is the lowest number. Okay. Now solution: arranging in ascending order. Show the numbers smallest to greatest. So smallest number is 9,801 and greatest number is 38,802. 9,801 is less than 25,751 is less than 36,501 is less 38,802. Okay student. Now shifting of digits. Given numbers 8137 and new number 3187. Shifting of digits shifts the digits in the given numbers from one place to the other. We get a new number. Okay student, look at this. Now next example, consider a number 721. Look here, show the diagram. Given number 721, after shift of digits 271, this is new number. After interchanging the first and second digits, we get the number 271. 271 is less than 721. That is 271 is less than 721. Okay student, 271 is less than 721. Now look here, 721 given number. After shifting, new number 127. 127 is less than 721. After interchanging the first and last digits, we get the number is 127. The new number 127 is lesser than 721. That is 127 is less than 721. Okay student, look here. Now next example, now consider another number 5409. Given number 5409, after shifting, new number is 9405. Okay, after interchanging the first and last digits, we get the number 9405. The new number 9405 is greater than 5409. That is 9405 is greater than 5409. Okay student, look at this. How many numbers can you make? Look here, without repeating the digits 4, 5 and 7 form different 3-digit numbers. The digit is 4, 5 and 7. Okay. Without repeating the digits 2, 0 and 3 form different 3-digit numbers. 2, 0 and 3. The number is different 3-digit number. 203, 230, 302, 320, 023 and 032. 2-digit number and starting 4-digit numbers. 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. We obtain 4 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now test your knowledge. Which largest number can you make by using the digits 2, 0, 3 and 4? A is 2034, B is 3240, C is 4302 and D is 4320. Largest number is 4320. Now the correct answer is option D is the correct answer, 4320. Okay student. Introducing 10,000. Okay, look at this. Greatest single digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 2-digit numbers. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Greatest 2 digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 3 digit number. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Okay. Greatest 3 digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 4 digit number. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Greatest 4 digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 5 digit number. 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. Okay student, show the board. 10,000. Revisiting place value. Look at this. Show the board. Expansion of a 2-digit number. For example, expand 88 using the place value. Look at this. 10's ones position 8 and 10 position 8. Expansion is 8 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This is ones position, digit of 8, and this is 8, 10's position. So expansion is 8 multiply 10 plus 8 multiply 1. Look at this. Expansion of a 3-digit number. For example, expand 724 using the place value. Look at this. Show the table. Ones position, tens position, and 100 position. Ones, tens, and 100. Ones position, the digit is 4. Tens position, the digit is 2. 100 position, the digit is 7. Expansion is 7 multiply 100. This is 100 position plus 2 into 10, this is 10's position, plus 4 into 1, this is 1 position. Okay? Look at this. Expansion of a 4-digit number. Show the board. Look at this. Expansion of a 5-digit number. Okay. Introducing 1 lakh. Show the picture. Observe the following. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. 9000. 999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh. When we add 1 plus to a greatest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. It is called 1 lakh. 10345. This is 1 lakh. Okay, student. Look at this. Expansion of a 6-digit number. Show the board. Example is expand 1,24,503. Show the table. Ones position, tens position, 100 position, 1000 position, 10,000 position, and lakh position. Ones position number 3, tens position number 0, 100 position number 5, 10,000 position number 4, 10,000 position number 2, lakh position number 1. Expansion is 1,24,503 is equal to 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0, then plus 10, 0 into 3 plus 3. The number is 1,24,503 is read as 1,24,503. Look at this. Okay, student. Now show the table on board. Large numbers. Look at this. Greatest 5-digit number 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number 1 lakh. Greatest 6-digit number 9,99,999. Smallest 7-digit number 10 lakh. Greatest 7-digit number 7 times 9, and smallest 8-digit number 1 crore. Okay, student, show the table. Look at this. Test your knowledge. Expand the 8-digit number. Number is 40350,894. Option is A, B, C and D. Show the board. Look at this. Click to now the correct answer. The correct answer is option B. 4 multiply 1 crore plus 0 into 1,000,000 plus 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. Ones position, tens position, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay? So answer is B. Look at this. Now next, expand the 8-digit numbers. The number is 40350,894. Show the table. Look at this. Ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 4 crore, 3,50,894. Look at this. Expansion is, the number is 40350,894 is equal to 4 into 1 crore plus 0 into 10 lakh plus 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. This is expansion form. The number 40350,894 is read as 4 crore 3,50,894. This is expansion form. Look at this. Okay, student. Use of Commons Indian system of numeration. The number is 812799304. Show the board. Number is converted to Indian system of numeration. Show the table on board. Number is 52345,472. Indian system number name 52,35,472. And next number 23275,829. 2 crore 32,75,829. Look at this. Show the table. Now next is international system of numeration. Number is 812799304. Ones position, tens position, 100 position, 1,000 position, 10,000 position, 100,000 position, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, student, look at this. Show the board. In international system of numeration, first comma comes after the 100 place and mark 1,000. Look at this. Second comma comes after the 100,000 place and mark million. And last third comma comes after 100 million place and marks billion. Look at this. Show the table on board. Number is 2333504. Now converting international Indian system number name 2,333,504 and second number 30801,692 30,801,692 and last number 70002,509 70,202,509. So number is 70,202,509. Look at this. Match the following. Show the board. Look at this. Click to now the correct answer. Match the following. This is the correct answer is arrow sign 35,617. This is 5,50,07,778. This arrow 7,34,617. This arrow 4,01,009. This arrow and last 8,90,567. This arrow. Show the board. Larger number in practice. Measurement is the process of assigning a number to an attribute according to a rule or a set of rules. Show the diagram. We can measure length, weight and capacity. Length, weight and capacity we can measure. Common units of measurement: length measurement, millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This is length measurement. And weight measurements, unit is milligrams, grams, kilograms. And last unit of capacity measurement, milliliter and liter. Show the board. Look at this. Length measurement, units and uses. Show the board. Millimeter mm, a small unit used to find the thickness of a sheet, card, etc. Okay. Centimeter, measure how tall you are, width of a table, etc. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. Meter, symbol is m. Measure length of wires, plot, etc. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Kilometer, symbol is kilometer, km. Measures distance between two cities, towns, etc. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, show the board. Length measurement, weight measurement, units and uses. Show the board. मिलीग्राम mg से डिनोट करते हैं. Uses a small unit used to measure the weight of a medicine or tablets, milligram, and gram is gm, measures weight of a pencil. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, look at this. Kilogram denoted kg, measures weight of sugar, rice, etc. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Capacity measurements, units and uses. Millimeter denoted is ml. Uses a small unit used to measure few drops of water, hair oil in a bottle, etc. Liter. L. Generally capacity is measured in liter. Capacity of a bucket, milk filled in a jug. etc. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter ml. Example, show the board. A bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 70 km per hour. The journey is shown below. Look at this, show the diagram. A. Find the total distance covered by the bus in the journey. B. Find the time taken by the bus to reach from A to B. And C. Find the time taken by the bus to complete its journey. Look at this, show the diagram. Solution. A. Total distance travelled by the bus 420 km plus 343 km plus 210 km plus 812 km plus 483 km plus 252 km is equal to 2520 km. This is total distance. Okay. Look at this. B. Distance travelled from A to B is equal to 420 km A to B. Time taken is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 420 upon speed is 7 km per hour. This is 7 6 42. 0 to 0 cancel out is equal to 6 hours. And C. Total distance is equal to 2520 km. Time taken is equal to distance upon speed is equal to 2520 km. Distance upon 7 km per hour speed. 0 to 0 cancel out. 252 is divided by 7 is equal to 36 hours. Okay. Look at this. Estimation. Next topic. Show the diagram. Look at this. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Now, next topic, Roman numerals. Look at this. One of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. They are used at the clock faces to mark the volumes of the books on bangles. Look at this. Show the diagram. Roman numerals. Okay. Now, numeral system. First, Roman system. Some symbols used in Roman numerals are as follows: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. This is Roman numeral. I is 1, V equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Okay, student. Show the table for Roman numerals. Rules for Roman numerals. First rule: if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Also, a symbol can only be repeated 3 times, but the symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, I is equal to 3, XX is equal to 20, VV is equal to not defined, DD not defined. Show the table. Second rule: if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. For example, VI is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. LXX, L is equal to 50 and X is equal to 10. So LXX is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 70. Look at this. Okay, student. Third rule, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. Okay student, show the table. Rule A, the symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value, that is V, L and D are never subtracted. For example, VL is not defined. B rule, the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. IB is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and IC is not defined. C rule, the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. XL, L minus X, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Show the table. Okay. Summary. While comparing two numbers, the number with more digits is the greater number. Then if the number of digits are same, then the number with the greater leftmost digit is larger. And last, if this digit also happens to be the same, we look at the next digit and so on. Smallest digit and greatest digit. 4-digit number smallest is equal to 1000. 5-digit number smallest is equal to 10,000. 6-digit number smallest is equal to 1 lakh. And greatest number, 3-digit number greatest is equal to 999. 4-digit number 9,999, and 5-digit number greater 99,999. Okay student, show the table. Uses of commas in the Indian system of numeration. We have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. The commas after 3, 5 and 7 digits separate 1000, lakh and crore respectively. Then in the international system of numeration, commas are placed after every 3 digits starting from the right. And last, the commas after 3 and 6 digits separate 1000 and million respectively. Okay student, look at this. Last, larger numbers are used in many places in daily life. For example, number of people in a village or town, money paid or received in large transactions, in measuring large distance and so on. Okay student. Remember, kilo shows 1000 times larger, centi shows 100 times smaller and milli shows 1000 times smaller. Thus, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters or 1000 millimeters, etc. Look at this. Okay student, thank you.